we're going to feature something very special. And once again, we're going to feature a $60 call on Colgate-Palmolive. Colgate-Palmolive is trading at 91.62. And here is a daily chart. What we are hearing, and the rumor mill is that Palmolive is going to be a potential buyout candidate, according to the news articles that we're hearing, that someone is going to be bidding for 8.4% share float of the overall float, and that Palmolive could be a potential buyout candidate and or hostile takeover. The thing that we would like to point out clearly is deep in the money call option, $60 call option, had 411,000 contracts. That's well over $1 billion of in the money options being bought deep in the money. There is got to be some kind of circulation around that got people to buy that many contracts. Once again, no one says that Wall Street is honest. In fact, they're quite crooked in everything that they do, as far as we're concerned. And we can't never really believe anything they say because we have to do our own analysis. However, we are on high alert that there was 411 options that were traded. That's 411,000 call options that were traded. And you can see that the deep in the money call options are 3150 by 3170. One of the things that we would like to highlight, MMTs, is that back over here, they were $16 a contract back in Q2 of 2011. That's where the low end of the contract is. The very high end of this contract, deep in the money, the high was $33.50. The current price today, where the volume was traded, is 411,000 contracts. Remember that it's a 1/21/2012 expiration. So it explains, because they don't have a lot of yield and they're $30 in the money, you can clearly see here where the equity price is up here at 91.62. These are $30 in the money. And even though that we had a move up in the equity today, you got a whole whopping 47 cents. Not a very good risk-reward ratio. Not only that, for that kind of money, well over $1 billion and 411,000 contracts, to make 50 cents or $1 on a potential rumor of a buyout or takeover just doesn't provide enough delta beta in the option. But nonetheless, we want to highlight this high flyer because that is huge. It's very rare that you see it. You only see it when there's speculation. And I'm using the word speculation. I'm using the word rumors. I'm using all of that. It's something that we would not do, period. It doesn't pay money, but it goes to show you how the public reacts, and it shows you how the big money is in a gambling casino, because that's how we view this. For the kind of yield that you're paying and the kind of money that you're paying, just not worth the risk-reward ratio. 411,000 contracts traded, and it's very interesting to see how rumors get spread and then how over $1 billion of money get injected into the options, $30 in the money. Here at SMF, we don't see this as a way of doing business, but more of a gambling type thing on a rumor.